Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best DIY Halloween costume kit on the market, the Wildox 7-piece Scarecrow costume accessory set. Whether you're planning to impress at a Halloween party, need a quick cosplay outfit, or just want an easy way to transform your look. This spooky season, this kit has everything you need to create an authentic and eye-catching Scarecrow costume without any hassle. Right out of the box, this kit includes 7 essential accessories designed to bring your Scarecrow vision to life. At the heart of the set is the iconic felt conical hat, crafted from durable felt that feels premium and looks authentic. It may come folded in the package, but once you wear it, the hat takes on that classic floppy shape perfectly, making it comfortable and easy to style. The hat is designed to fit most adults with a flexible sizing, but keep in mind if you have thicker or longer hair, securing it might need a little extra attention. The set also features a collar and cuffs, both adorned with realistic raffia straw details. These accents are perfect for adding that rustic, handcrafted look that scarecrows are known for. The collar comes with a simple Velcro closure, making it effortless to put on and take off, while the cuffs come in 2 sizes. One for wrists and one for ankles, so you can really customize your look and cover more areas with the straw effect. The straw detailing looks natural and gives you that full Scarecrow vibe. What really sets this kit apart is the DIY raffia bundle included for even more customization. You can attach the raffia to your hat, collar, cuffs, or even your clothing, allowing you to create a unique costume that stands out. This makes the kit perfect not only for those who want something quick but also for anyone who loves adding their own creative twist. All pieces are crafted with durable materials designed to withstand multiple uses, so this isn't just a one-time costume. The acrylic fibers and premium raffia can handle a few parties or conventions, making this a versatile addition to your costume collection. The packaging is compact and lightweight, which means it's easy to store and bring along if you're heading to a last-minute event. Setup is quick and painless, no sewing or complex assembly required. Just open the box, put on the pieces, and you're ready to go in minutes. Overall, the Wildox 7-piece Scarecrow costume accessory set is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for an affordable, high-quality, and customizable Scarecrow costume kit. It simplifies the process of dressing up while giving you the freedom to personalize your look. If you want to stand out at your next Halloween gathering with a classic yet creative outfit, this kit is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more product insights and recommendations, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, stay creative and have a spooky season.